The list of personal interview with marks for a post of sweeper. Kapus jong sweeper kadon total post kadon tang kendai post. Kendai post take away gade nam taki order tribe and the rest are for khasi jentia and garo category. Tehangne khasi gibarong gidon nyeungut kelas mark kendai lais pa khatar Slan Dominic Shabong, Jom Poster Matong, Ban Rap Lang Mauplang, Me Ban San Burlang Patau, Kendro Lang Suntem, Wimper Kidhar, Bat Epring, Son Talang Galasmak, De Lais Pakhat Ar, Teka Pus, Kelak Bandon Tang Lai Lanesau Jong Khasi, Kumtahi, Bat Gigaru, Lokan Wan Syaga, Lai Lanesau, Sau Pra, Berkawai Lang Kumtahi. Marwah Ikram Penmik, Isu Ai Tang, Baik Jaka Total Pus Jong Follower, Ikram Ai Jong Ka, barbar sweeper cook lagajong ikram ai ya ka tukaro star system. For other tribe there are 3 candidates: Benu Daharabha, Shanbok Kongor and Linus Klein. 297, 295, 295. Last mark is 295. And for Garo category, Chisrang Sangma 325, Saljagring 324, Bintu Marak 305, Red Chat 301, Pasang 296 and Jejrang 294. The last mark for Garo is 294.